has issued a flood warning for the News River near Clayton.
Until Saturday afternoon. At 1:15 p.m. Friday, the stage
was 8.9 feet. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this afternoon to a crest of 9.1 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage just after midnight tonight. Impact at 9.0 feet. Minor overflow occurs on both banks. Water reaches the edge of the News River Greenway Trail.